Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock Google Drive app on Android. So guys, if you want to lock your Google Drive app, then you can lock it through app lock by going to your mobile settings. So guys, go to your mobile settings. And then go to privacy. Now tap on app lock. And now select your drive and lock it. Now go back and go to your drive. Then you can see that your Google Drive app is locked. So guys, that's it, and that's how you can lock Google Drive app on Android very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.